Hello, good evening, everyone. You are most welcome to MS English Academy. And in today's program, we are going to have another debate on a very interesting topic, very important topic. Everyone wants to listen about this particular topic, and because of recent technology and because of interest and zeal of the students, this topic has become more popular and more hot. And the topic of today's talk is soft copy versus hard copy. Soft copy versus hard copy. HARD, hard copy. Which is the best option for students and for all the people? Should we read by soft copy or hard copy? Which is the best option? For on this debate, we are going to have the students of MS English Academy. In my right, I have Adiba Mariam, Rubina Hassan, Ummi Kulthum, and in my left, I have Hussein and the guest of today's program, Najib Umar. So these are the candidates who will be participating in this debate. And first of all, let me introduce to you what is the hard copy and what is the soft copy. Hard copy, which is a book document, which is a document, the document which is printed. So hard copy is the printed form of document, while the soft copy is virtual form of any book which is not printed. So like we read by by mobile phones, laptops and other technological form. So if we read the book by devices, it is called soft copy. If we read the book in physical form, if we have the book in physical form, it is called hard copy. So which is the best option for us? Let's start the debate. First of all, I would like to take in the debate Adiba Mariam. Adiba, what's your point? What do you think which is the best option for us?
Sir, in my opinion, soft copy is best.
Okay.
Because it has many advantages, many benefits, and if we traveling and suffering and in emergency, we can use soft copies.
Okay, you are telling only in emergency soft copy or all the times?
Yes. And if we don't have book to read, if we don't have hard copies, we can use soft copies. Sir, I want to say we have both soft copy and hard copies. We have both. So I said we can choose hard copies.
Okay. Do you it means that you think that soft copy should be used only in emergency?
Yes, sir.
While in normal condition we should use hard copy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rubina Hassan, what do you think? Which is the best option for us?
Yes, sir. I appreciate Adiba Mariam, and I want to say I would like to say soft copy is best.
Okay.
By using soft copy, we can save trees.
Okay.
So if we want to save trees, we can use soft copy.
Of course,
and-
nice point.
Yeah, and we can save trees. And after the making of during making of trees, many pollution will be generated.
During making of paper, do you want to
Yes.
say? Yes.
Making of paper, we can many
Pollution is
will
generated.
be will generate. So we can save pollution.
Okay, we can have
We
the
can-
control on this.
Yes, we
pollution.
can control the pollution
Of
by
course.
using soft copy.
Yes, yes. So these are the 2 points. Yes,
Yes.
both the points are nice of Rubina Hassan. As she said, she says that if we use soft copy, we can save thousands and lakhs of trees, and we can have full control on pollution which is generated by generating and creating the people. Okay. And Ummi Kulthum, what do you think which is the best option? Take the mic and start. Okay.
In my opinion, soft copy is best.
Okay.
Be-
Why?
because if we have soft copy, then why waste money?
Okay. Why waste money to purchase a book?
Yes.
Okay. This
And-
only point do you have or further do you have?
Oh, second.
Okay, that's it.
नहीं,
Oh, go ahead.
in villages there was no space to keep books.
Okay.
But if we use soft copy, we can save place.
Okay, okay. Okay, 2 points have been raised by Kulthum. First is that by using soft copy, we can save the money which is used to purchase the books. And the second point is that we can save the place at home, especially in the villages. The homes and houses are so narrow, they are so small. So, by soft copy, we can save the place at home. If we have a hard copy, we have to have places at home. So these are the 2 points. Okay, I'll go to Mr. Najib or Mr. Hussain first. What do you want to reply to all these girls?
As Kulthum said, we not have place to put books in home. How could you purchase mobile? The high cost of
Oh,
money.
that nice point. Kulthum said that. Yeah, nice point.
We put in home books. Book house is beautiful looking.
Okay, Hussain wants to say that he is actually replying to Kulthum. Kulthum said that in the villages people don't have the spacey houses. They have small houses. That's why it's difficult to keep the books. So Hussain is replying that if they are poor, if they are needy, they have small houses, then how could they purchase the mobiles and devices, laptops for soft copy? That's a nice point. Do you want to reply Hussain? Or do you want to reply him?
Shall I add something?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
As he said, we can use a hard copy and we can show our house very beautiful. It is also correct.
Yes.
If we use a hard copy, we can show our house beauty. But in nowadays, many houses place are very short. So if we living in short in small house, so how can we save our books?
Okay, no, actually the entire world is looking to go in a nano place. You know, the memory, first of all, it was the size of memory, big one. Now it has compressed to just small one. Okay, the cars, nano car, do you know, everyone in the world, when the nano car was launched, one in the world has appreciated because he just manufactured a small car which was loved by everyone and admired by everyone. So if we make the things in a small manner, that will be so fantastic. So Kulthum's point was good and he has also replied in a nice manner. Do you want to say further?
Yes, sir. I want to say, sir, in my opinion, hard copy is good
Why?
because we can learn and read properly in the hard copy.
Yes, nice point. Yes.
And we can in the mobile, in the soft copy, and in the soft copy, the light will affect to the eyes.
Of course, that's a nice point. Very good point.
It will be affect to the our eyes.
Of course, it will affect. That's nice point by Najib. Okay, do you want to reply him? Because the point is very good. In soft copy, the rays which is generated by the device, whether it is mobile or laptop or anything, it will affect the eyes. It will be a negative impact. What do you want to reply him?
Sir, he said soft copy are affected on our eyes, but there are number of glasses are available on market. We can
In market, okay.
in market we can use these glasses and use the soft copies.
And protect the eyes.
And-
Okay.
yes.
Do you want to reply him any further because he has raised the nice point.
Yes. I appreciate her. She
Okay.
is very correct. We can wear glasses and we can use. And I want to say, if we have two things, book are available and phone are available.
Books and phones are available. Okay.
Yes, we can use books, hard copy, and we are saying if we are in emergency like traveling and waiting for anyone, so then we can use phone, smartphone, everything.
Okay.
Soft copy. So as he said, smartphone will be affect our eyes. So we can use hard copy. We have to use hard copy, but in emergency we can use soft copy and it is very better.
You know what's happening in the institutions, in educational sectors like schools, colleges, the qualified people, they are using soft copies also in the schools, smart classes, and in those smart classes, the students, pupils, they are being attracted. They are being attracted.
I want to say something.
Okay, go ahead.
First, I will reply answer
Okay, reply to Adiba. Okay.
Adiba. She, as Adiba said, we will take a glass also. I want to say that if we are read hard copy only, so we will not spend the money
Oh,
to.
nice point. That's fantastic point. We should not. Yeah, there is no need to purchase anything.
No need to purchase the glass, and we can't spend the money also.
Nice. I appreciate your point. You know, if you have a medicine, you don't cut your hand. Well, you know, you have medicine. That's why I cut my hand and apply the medicine. Because if you know already it will damage, then why do first and take the remedy? That's nice point. Okay, you want to reply him.
If we purchase glasses, we have to expend few money,
Little money. Okay.
little money. If we want to purchase books, there are many
large amount.
a large amount